is a mixed arts venue. We actually have a cinema, theatre, we have a studio space. The cinema is a 200-seater cinema, and we kind of show an eclectic variety of films, from mainstream to independent films. It's a wonderful, bustling place, kind of very focused on community here, kind of very focused on pricing, making sure everybody's happy and enjoying their experiences at the cinema. I think it's integral to any community to have a venue that they can call their own, particularly when it comes to cinema. Cinema is one of the most accessible pieces of art form that we have in existence, and I think it's really important to be able to bring all bridges, all cultures, all creeds within kind of this building to kind of enjoy the magic of cinema. Because a bit of escapism is always good in the world that we live in today, and I think it's really vital that these venues persist and continue to thrive in the way they are. There's a lot of marathons on the way. We're still kind of umming and ahhing if it's going Back to the Future, Hunger Games, maybe a Jaws quadruple, I don't know yet. I'm really looking to that. We've got a really cool collaboration Cardiff Animation Festival for Tywys August Bogan. In October of a half term, a Welsh animating classic, which I'm excited for. So yeah, there's a lot on the pipeline, and hopefully there'll be a lot more to come in the future too. Diolch yn fawr iawn.